when you are recording yourself when you're filming your TikTok, great framing and lighting can make or break your post. So at the moment I have myself with this nice clear space above the post, and I do this so that I can add some title text above my head. I can have my captions and subtitles above my head so they're easy to see. I like to have the space above my head because down at the bottom part of the screen there's lots of buttons and features on top, and often if you put your captions or titles there then they get hidden and they're not seen and people just scroll on. If the minute you make something difficult for somebody, they will scroll. If there's anything I'm going to tell you as the number one tip today, and that is make sure you have good lighting when you actually film. Don't make sure it's not too dark, don't have like heavy shadows across your face. I've got the window above me, so I've got a nice amount of natural light. It's also nearing dusk here, so I have a really cheap just little desk lamp on as well, which has white light rather than the kind of yellow fluorescent light, because that's really important. You don't want your video to be too yellow in tone either. Make sure you film in portrait format because that is the optimal size for filming on a mobile, and it works well across TikTok as well as on Instagram for your reels as well. Another top tip I have is I film all my video content in Instagram stories rather than TikTok, and I do that because it's really easy to then quickly download before I have to post it. I just delete so it doesn't actually post onto my stories, but I can film up to a minute at a time and then I compose all the videos together in Capcut, which I'll show you how to do as well. And the reason I like to do it in Instagram is I get this nice blurry effect on my videos so that it's only me that's in focus and you can't really see what's going on in the office behind me. And I also like that you can just apply really subtle features to kind of smooth out those wrinkles a little bit as well.